We read the whole text, so we read all of this article right here. So we read all this, and that was step 1. And once you completed that step, you pick a section to, each section, so for example, before and after writing, that was one section. And so you pick that section and you reread it carefully. And then step 3 was highlight only the important things and what the section's really about, and that's what you need to highlight. But just that section, so don't go through the whole article, just that one section. And then come up with the main idea.
It's really important that when you make your central idea, you consider all of your 4 main ideas.
Their job is to kind of dig up the past, and they do that because archaeologists need to do that, or else we won't know anything about what it was like back then. So I think it's a really important job for archaeologists.
Comment. I really like how you contrasted Noah and I, because we made it more kind of compact. It covered all the details, but in a very broad sense. But for you, you covered all the minute details with longer sentences.
How you explain kind of like what Rose said, but how you set it up, and then it says what your sentences were, and then you explain why.
Put it all in order, and then you put it from 4 to the 2 to the 1, because that showed how you combine them in this stuff, and I thought that was really awesome.
And it's what you're saying here is kind of showing that this is how short the sentences should be. Compare your sentence compared to me and Lily's, because we were working in a group. Your sentences cover so much more than it's just so short, but it covers so much.
And then I highlighted the special words I highlighted on the actual typed paragraphs of each one. Okay, so what I did is in each paragraph I obviously wrote a summary about each paragraph. Highlighted all the words that I highlighted on the page that actually had the typing.
Shared this with us that after you highlight in your section, you can read through it and be loud with the words you highlighted. And this is beneficial to us because then we can know if what we highlighted really makes sense.
That's what
they put it into brackets. They put all of the different paragraphs into little brackets, and then they combined each paragraph into small combinations. And then for their main idea, they just put together their small combinations, and I thought that was really cool. And I think I'm going to start using it.
And how it's way more organized, and we kind of agreed how everybody put in sentences, but none of them were exactly the same. It was either all different, or they put them in just a different wording, so it's not the same thing over and over.